So hi guys, welcome to Be First to Copy. So our series last time that we are making, so we are working on Know My Age. Okay. So the seventh part we build APK, and the last video you have seen that you can see this is that user interface. But the problem is that I don't like it. So I have taken the pictures of that as you can see here. These are a couple of pictures I've taken. Now I'm uploading those images on AI tools like ChatGPT, and there's a Gemini and also the Quen, okay, Chinese platform. So I'm gonna ask, oh, make this app UI better and more attractive, creative, and user friendly. Okay, I'm gonna just write this code. Okay, I'm gonna see that how that I'm getting the response. Okay, so run this one, run this, and run this. Okay, I'm not really checking that which one giving better result. I'm just using that. I want to see that which one I get better, and I will try again and again. Any place I get better is good. So here it's saying that what to do. Okay, uh, so it is giving me the reason how to do that. Here also telling me that choose the color, redesign screen. Okay, it's giving that, and like that it's saying that new visual like sitting with a bow, dog wagging tail, elephant, and like that, and saying that in cat edge skin enhance, uh, title bold, add cat emoji blink, and saying that do like this. Okay, I design saying that dart support voice input, edge composite, cat avatar, push notification. Okay, there are a lot of things that is telling to do that. Okay, now see the what the ChatGPT says. It says like that, like name, gender, calculate, animal. Okay, so as you can see that they are all telling us to how to do that. I will just ask that which would you like me to do the visual design markup or code version of improved UI. So I will ask for visual visual design. Okay, here it's saying that would you like to generate actual Figma markup or code snippet, Flutter, Swift UI. So I'm just say that Figma markups. Okay, I want to see the design. I don't want to really code that. Okay, let's see. And what the Gemini says. It says that more content engaging to use, allowing would like to specific skin like animal, character, or more details. So it have given me that what to do about it. The lot of things, information, and to improve that. But what I really want, I want to see it myself that how it gonna change and looks, and that's what I wanted. So I believe I am not big clear. I was not clear. That's why it's giving that information. But some of them understand what really I want, and they just given that. As you can see here, it is actually writing all of that. But I need image that I can see it, and I can just go for it. Now you see the chat GPT is working much better than any other tool that I use. As you can see, it's saying that how to do all the things, but that's not what I'm hoping for. That's why when you're using AI tool, be specific and tell them that what tool you want, so it will be much better. Okay, so I'll say that I want you to create an image and show me changes. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say and see what it's gonna give. ChatGPT is running. Here I will ask for that. Can you generate image so I can see? Let's see if they can do. And the Quen, okay, let's just ask for it. Gemini. So you can see that that's how it's going to look like. Okay, it's a much better result. In that way I can be more clear about it. Okay, show me a different image and better than this. Okay, here I'm just getting that response, setting that what to do about it. Okay, here I really like this design. It's much better than before. Yeah, there's some thing that can be improved, and I can say that, but I like that design. Okay, so this is the first one. Let me ask for that second page design. I want to know that you understand or not. I have uploaded 3 images, so I hope it can understand what I really want. So here you see that image is not really good. uh, different UI for Android app. Here it's only saying that how to do it. Also it given good idea about it, like you can see that. So it is doing quite great. So I'm telling that you have like information and you know how to do that. For example, you know let me, if I download this image, okay, here's the download option. Okay, and now we are gonna open Fire Studio. As you can see here, there's option to add image. Okay, click here. This image I'll put it. Okay, allow. I'll tell that design main page like this. Okay, now I will run the command. So as you can see that this I told that this image I want that this kind of design. Let's see it can do or not. I hope it can do that. So just wait for a few minutes. As you can see, this one is not running. Let me hard restart. That is a problem of Firebase Studio that I really hate about it, that I can't see it in a preview. And I hope that they can come with a different idea, so that way showing preview much easier. If that happens, then Firebase Studio is really great tool for developing applications. Now click update, try again. Okay, let me. So as you can see that, okay, let me see our second page. Taking time. If you have a premium subscription, then you can easily check that. And a Gemini, I will tell you that experience is not good. Whatever I want, I'm not getting that. So that's something I don't like it. Okay. So as you can see there, now you see that second page also good. Human age, your age, you have this one, view detailed report. So you see the user interface, this one is much better. So let's see first we can able to do or not, and then we're gonna add it or more. Okay, so run that command. As you can see that still running, and one of the drawback I found in developing that, it's consume a lot of time. You think that if you just put some command prompt and you can have app, yeah, you can have it, but if you want to change, it takes some time. So as you can see that first attempt is successful. Now I'm gonna upload second image, and I'll ask to do that after the main page. Okay, so I'll tell that apart from home page, add this UI on all pages. I can't say that what changes happened. Even here I could not see it, but I'm just doing that. So once it's complete, I'm gonna build the APK and download it and test it out in my phone. Because the biggest issue I'm facing, like preview, I can't see what really happening, and that is a drawback of Firebase Studio. Or it might be that I'm the only one that facing that trouble, but it's really irritating to have this problem because I can't change what changes are happening in the real time. So it's not easy to know how to changes I should make. So it's saying that I have created a new file for detailed report skin. So I'm not sure that it had done the thing I asked for. Okay, I can't see the reports at all. So there's only one thing I can do is to just build that APK and I can check it on my phone. Only then I know that what happened, so I can make other changes. Okay, so just ask build APK. Even I reload this, I'm not sure that even it's gonna load or not. So I'm just ask for build APK. Okay, it will take a couple of minutes, but once it's done, I can check it out my phone and I can just show you that what changes are happening or not. I think that you can ask AI tools for designing. If you don't have an idea, so just have that. Check out images, or you can find lots of images and designs out there online. You can search it. Whatever you like, you can just check it. Have the multiple images from there, and I can upload here. And like that, how I ask for, you can just ask that create a better visual page or Android for whatever size and things for arts. Just ask it here, write it whatever you want, and then it will give you your result. And just delete, just download that and try here. As you can see, the build is failed, so I'll say that try again. It will happen for a couple of times, but after that it will be complete. So that's how I know for design I can say that you can go for it. If you don't know designing, then that's the only thing you can do it. Or you can just depend on Firebase Studio for design. You can ask for a couple of times, tell the professional design the look, but the way you want, like you have already seen the design and you want like that, then you can upload the images like that I told you. So there's option like an image, also drawing also. Here I want to show you, like you can also upload this one, or you can just make drawing of yourself on a pen and paper and then upload it. Here you can also upload that and tell AI tools to make a UI design for that, and they can do it for you. So it is much better. You can also like a main elements where you want, you can just write it down on your paper and then upload it images and do that. That's also good idea. If you have idea how to do it, then you can. If you don't have an idea, then you can just copy someone else's idea. Like you can search for UI images. Like I can just search for Android app UI. Okay, and you can just see images here. So you can see a lot of images here, and whatever way you want, you can just pick up and use AI tools to create for yourself. You can take their colors and whatever you want. Okay, and here also you can just see for yourself, like UI design for Android developers. You can also see that you can use the material design if you want. So there's a lot of way. Okay, and you can go for it. So it is not really hard. You just need to understand how you want them to look like. If you know that, then it's much easier. You can see there are lots of tools available. The design, there are lots of, as you can see here, like designs are like that. So you can also create yourself on a pen paper and use a AI tool for that, and they'll do it. You can just write like this way, like title, name, gender, and that AI will understand what you want, and you can just change that all the design. You can just upload the picture, or you can just ask for a prompt for that, making that design, and you can get the prompt and just paste that on here. Okay, if you put it here, it will just generate the design for you. So you have two ways for that. For designing, you can just use AI tools for it, your own experience, your own ideas. So you can do all that, but yeah, when you are making it, it will take some time. Like you see here, I'm trying to make an epic, it causing error. I have to do it again and again. And the Firebase Studio, one of the biggest drawback is this one, that can't see preview in the real time, because that's the main thing. Because if you can't see that what changes are we are making, then it's very troubling. Because if you want to change more, we don't know how it looks. So that is the issue here that I found. If you use Android Studio, you will also face that problem, but it is much better there, because it depends on your device. If your device is good, you can easily do that. But this is for those people who doesn't have a good device, like they have mid-range laptops, not high-end. So they all want to make a application. They can do it. Even you bought the laptop for 20,000 rupees, you can use the Fiverr Studio and create the apps, because all the things are happening online. You don't need to use any of that. But when you use the Android Studio, it's gonna run on your locally on your in your computer, on your PC or laptop, and that time it will require you know RAM, storage, all that, and it's gonna run on your device. So it will perform well, but you need that inexpensive laptop for yourself. If you don't have, then I will tell you that Firebase Studio is best option for you. You don't have to do anything, just open on a browser and work on. You don't need a powerful computer for that. It will do all the jobs for you. But you find the drawback that I am facing, like rarely you can see the design. It's not like all the time it happens. The most of the time it works, but after that it's not. So there's some drawback, but it's a best tool for you. If you don't have a high-end laptop or PC, you can go for this. So thank you for watching this video, and once the APK is built complete, I'm gonna upload it, and I will show you that what result I got just pasting those images. Okay, thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video. Bye.